Alright, are you ready for this one? We want to balance this equation now. I've posted something on like this on Instagram and then I saw funny answers. But let me show you how to do this. So like I have mentioned before in previous videos, things like this, your copper and nitrogen that are standing alone, you'd want to balance them last, okay? So I guess our focus should be trying to balance oxygen right now or hydrogen. Yes, because you want to balance these two last. Yeah, so hydrogen or oxygen. Oxygen looks fine. Let's try hydrogen. 3 here, 2 here. We can actually exchange those numbers to make this 2 here and 3 here for the sake of hydrogen. Just this move alone has balanced our hydrogen. It's now 6 on both sides. Can you see that? So that's the first thing. It's like a skill, but then it's not really a big deal, right? Just switch it and then you see you're almost done. Okay, so our hydrogen should be fine now. But of course, we have made our nitrogen here too, which we can always correct here. I mean, it's already 2 right now, so don't think that's bad. And then what else did we do? Okay, we made our oxygen 3. Okay, we can correct that over here, right? So let's correct that. Boom. So now our oxygen is fine, but we just made our copper 3. It's not going to be a problem because we can always correct that here, like that. Okay, so that should correct the copper. Then is there any other thing? I actually think everything is alright because nitrogen is 2 on both sides. Our hydrogen is 6, which is the first thing we balanced. Our copper is 3 on both sides and our oxygen is 3 on both sides. So this is very good. You see? So that's how you balance equations. You would be done before you even start, right? So that's it. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe if you're seeing this on YouTube and like this video if you're seeing this somewhere else. If you have any questions, if there's anything I've done that is not clear to you, you know what to do. You will reach out to us on Instagram or anywhere else, Copy Chemistry, and you'll be able to message someone and we'll put you through, okay? Enjoy.